The stock market is primed for a historic meltdown in 2025, and your portfolio is at risk if you're holding these 5 toxic stocks. In this video, I'll expose the ticking time bombs you need to dump now and reveal exactly what to buy instead to turn this crisis into your biggest wealth-building opportunity. Let's move. Your money depends on it. Stock number 1, the AI hype train wreck. First up, TechRocket AI, a company that soared 400% in 12 months on pure hype. They claim to revolutionize AI-driven healthcare. But here's why it's a house of cards. The problem. No revenue, all promises. 90% of their growth comes from partnerships with other unprofitable startups. 0 FDA-approved products. Insider exodus. The CEO dumped $120 million in shares last quarter, while telling retail investors to hold long-term. PE ratio of 300x versus 25x industry average. This isn't investing, it's gambling. Why this is dangerous. The AI bubble is the dot-com crash 2.0. When the Fed hikes rates again, profitless tech stocks will implode. You do not want to be holding this bag. What to do? Instead, swap into Microsoft MSFT. They're actually monetizing AI through Azure Cloud and Copilot. Stock number 2, the safe dividend trap. Next, Safe Harbor Utilities, the recession-proof stock your uncle swears by. Too bad it's a debt-loaded dividend trap. The problem. 50 billion debt bomb. Their bonds are rated BBB-, one notch above junk interest payments, $2 billion a year. Dividend cut risk. They pay out 130% of earnings, mathematically unsustainable. Stock down 25% YTD, while the S&P 500 is up. Why this is dangerous? Rising rates equals higher borrowing costs. Safe Harbor will either slash dividends or take on more debt. Both kill the stock price. What to do instead? Buy NextEra Energy NEE. They're the world's largest renewable energy company with a AAA credit rating and 20 years of dividend growth. Yield, 2.8% plus 10% annual upside. Stock number 3, the meme stock zombie. Meet Meme Coin Motors, the electric vehicle rocket that Reddit trolls won't stop pumping. Spoiler, they've sold 47 cars, ever. The problem. 15 valuation for joke. They lose $400,000 per car sold. Short squeeze dead. Institutions shorted this at 150. Now it's at 3. Retail investors left holding the corpse. Minus 98% from ATH and still falling. Why this is dangerous? Meme stocks are psychological warfare. The community will abandon this for the next shiny object, leaving you bankrupt. What to do instead? Park cash in 3-month treasury bills, 5.4% yield. No risk, no drama. Then buy Tesla TSLA on the next dip. They're actually profitable and dominating EVs. Stock number 4, the debt zombie retailer. Shop till you drop Inc. Geeks the mall retailer disrupting e-commerce by losing $1 billion a year. The problem? $12 billion debt. Their credit rating, Munura. Amazon's lunch meat. Online sales fell 30% last quarter as Prime ate their margins. Stock down 70% and still overvalued by 200%. Why this is dangerous? This company is begging for bankruptcy. Even a mild recession will wipe out shareholders. What to do instead? Buy Amazon AMZN. They're crushing retail and cloud with double asterisks. 80 billion cash to buy competitors or entire malls. Target 120 per share for 30% upside. Stock number 5, the ESG fairy tale stock. Finally, Green Dream Energy, the ESG darling that's saving the planet, while burning $500 million a year. The problem. Subsidy junkies. 80% of revenue comes from government grants. Election risk much? Solar panel prices crashed 60%. Their revolutionary tech is now commoditized. Insiders fleeing, CFO sold 100% of her shares last month. Why this is dangerous? ESG is a marketing gimmick here. When subsidies dry up, this stock goes to $0. What to do instead? Buy ExxonMobil XOM. They're pumping $30 billion per year into clean fuels and paying a 3.51 per barrel. How to dump these stocks safely? Don't just smash the sell button. Follow these steps. Set limit orders. Sell in chunks to avoid panic. Tax loss harvest. Offset gains with losses. Use TurboTax or a CPA. Reinvest strategically. Allocate proceeds into the 5 crash-proof stocks I mentioned. 2025 will be the reckoning for reckless investors, but you're ready. Dump these 5 toxic stocks, swap into bulletproof alternatives, and watch your portfolio thrive while others panic. Smash like. If you're taking action, subscribe for next week's 3 stocks to buy before the crash, and hit the bell, and it's free. Unlike these Wall Street secrets. Stay paranoid, stay rich. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including potential loss of principal. Always conduct your own research or consult a professional before making investment decisions.